The KAWA True 4K Dual Dashcam offers exceptional visual clarity with its true 4K front camera and 1080-pixel rear camera, ensuring every detail is captured on the road. With hands-free voice control, the dashcam enables users to manage recordings and settings effortlessly, enhancing safety by allowing drivers to keep their hands on the wheel. Equipped with the Sony Starvis IMX415 chip and a wide f1.8 aperture, this dashcam excels in low-light conditions, providing clear and detailed night vision. The built-in GPS feature provides real-time tracking of speed and location, making it an invaluable tool for accident documentation and insurance claims. Seamless connectivity is achieved through the KAWA AUTO App, allowing users to view footage and manage settings via Wi-Fi without using data. Designed with safety in mind, the dashcam uses supercapacitor technology to ensure stable performance in extreme temperatures and enhance its longevity.